So we have a Whirlpool. We are filling it up right now. And the issue with this guy is very similar to a tub hub. So as we move along, you will soon hear the noise that it's making. So keep this in mind. If you have a lot of clothing in your washer, you can pretty much look at the wash plate, and you want to make sure the wash plate is moving. In other words, pushing and agitating the clothing around. So if it's not, then you want to deal with the tub hub. If it's pushing the clothing or pretty much moving them, you want to flip the machine upside. Well, get onto the machine. And you want to look at the pulley and make sure your pulley is fully engaged. Make sure the nut is not loose. And also the cover, the shield, you want to make sure the shield is not being... If your washer is being overloaded, as you will see shortly, the shield will have a cut in it from the pulley. There it is. So that's being overloaded, and the nut is actually loose, and the pulley has dropped. Now your washer can't agitate. So once this is tightened and use some Loctite, everything should be good. And put it back together, and you're good to go. So, all right. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.